Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today, I'm going to show you how to assemble your room desk for your home office, gaming setup, or just, somewhere where you could chill and eat. So stay tuned, because this one's a banger.
Sheesh. Hey. Bro, somebody really need to sign me. So first, gotta start off with opening the box, obviously. So I got my trusty knife. That's actually my favorite knife. I have a couple of knives, and that's my favorite one because it has like this marble handle. This platinum finish is just fire. Alright, so let me tell you guys a little bit more about the product. It's a signature design by Ashley Baraga. It's an L desk shaped white desk. So it's an L shaped and it's an ultra modern with this sleek white powder coat finish. And it's used as a computer workstation, and it's a stay clear-headed type of vibe with frosted glass on the top. Handsomely crafted, the desk is made of glass and metal with a tempered glass table bottom. The modular design, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, the desk is versatile and it sets you up to ensure that you have an appropriate table for your space to work in. It's really great for a home office because there's an ample amount of space, and under the furniture piece for a file cabinet or for a stylish place to rest your feet. And it measures at 61 inches wide by 51 inches deep and is 30 inches in height. Okay, so now that you got your box open, throw out your instructions and get your tools out. So you want to get all of your nuts and bolts and make sure that they match the instructions. Don't throw those out, actually. Alright, so now you just want to sort out what you're doing. Just make sure all the pieces are matching the letters and numbering within the instructions, and then just assemble it piece by piece. They really broke it down in a really great way, and it's just very easy to assemble, and it's very easy to figure out exactly what you need to do with every piece because of how great they mapped it out. Alright, got the first piece done. So from here on out, just follow the instructions and you'll do great. Let the beat ride.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I really like how it came out, especially because I know what I have planned for this in the future. But it just looks great.
Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. You can follow me at Oba Obasi Jr. For more videos on real estate, faith, and vlogs. Hit subscribe and stay tuned.